Welcome to Databases Part 2. We left off at the academic journals. Here's the list, and it's like Google. They have different articles you can click on and read, and it tells you where they're from and who wrote them and so on. Now, that's just the academic journals. There's also magazines and so on. So if you clicked on magazines, for example, now you're going to get all the magazine articles. Look at the right here under Filter Your Results. If you wanted to filter the results, if you press on subjects, you're going to see a breakdown of what topics or subtopics are found in these articles, these magazine articles about mental health. So if you're trying to figure out, what you want to learn more about to try to narrow your focus for your topic, it's handy to kind of look through these. And I mean, if there's something in particular you want to look at, you can then click on that and see the 187 articles, magazine articles on addiction, or the 270 articles that relate to youth. So just looking at the subject listings will help you to narrow your focus. And that's one of the things that Mrs. Lindemann and I are concerned about, that helping you to try and get your focus narrowed. Then remember, that's just for the magazine articles. So if I were to click on news articles, I might see some different things in the subjects listing. So dementia, for example, there's 6,700 newspaper articles on dementia. So be aware of the fact that you can have a look at the subjects, and also be aware of the different types of content that you're looking at. And so that you understand that each one's different. And I guess you can go to all content types here, and that will, I guess, give you everything. So then if you look at your subjects under that, you should have all the subjects or subtopics listed that you can explore, I suppose. Now, I just want to go back to the mental health page for a second. When you get to the mental health page, you've already narrowed the focus of your exploration to mental health. And you'll see there's a search bar here, and it says search within results. You need to understand that if you were now to search with a keyword, for example, teenager, that what's going to happen now is it's going to take all of these articles that are shown on this page here, 2,990 reference articles, magazines, videos, and so on, that are just about mental health. And then you're going to narrow the focus more by searching teenager within the mental health category. So you're not searching the entire health and wellness database anymore if you're on this page and searching. You're just searching mental health. And then you can click or press enter. And there's 26 reference articles that make reference to teenagers, and 38 magazines. So not just teenagers, but teenagers and mental health, right? So when you search within the topic, you're narrowing the focus even more. There's 38 magazine articles about mental health and teenagers. They're listed. The subjects are down here that are touched on. All right, so use some of the topic searching and the keywords to try to find articles that relate to your topic, or to help you to understand how you can narrow down that topic. Eating disorders, teenagers, and mental health. There's only one article there, but you might be able to find some on other databases. But that's how you would do a search. That's just magazines, by the way. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to back out of this for a second. I'll just hit a random article, and I'm going to click on it. So the other thing that you might want to know about, we talked about this in Google Classroom and posting. When you're on an article and you're reading it, and you think, you know what, this is really interesting, I want to make reference to this. The Cite button is up here on the top right-hand corner. If you click on the Cite button, MLA edition, 8th edition, you can select that and paste it into your document that you're working on in order to get the proper citation. Just remember that citations ultimately, when you're on a works cited page, should be double-spaced. I am out in 5 seconds from now. Thanks for listening.